So today I've got a new kinky straight wig for you guys from Nadula Hair. This is the new highlight wig, you guys. So highlight blonde wig. You've seen this kinky straight all over my channel for a while now, but this is the first time we're seeing it in this particular color. So it comes with a standard cap, a strap that you can take on and off. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. First, I'm just gonna start off with adding some moisture to my dry hair. You guys, my hair has been like this for quite a while now. I'm just spraying some rose water. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Lotta Body moisturizer, just doing my best to, you know, keep these braids nice and hydrated. A protective style is not protective if you're not actually upkeeping your natural hair or your relaxed hair, whatever, underneath. So next, you guys, just gonna pop this unit on and start to do my normal lay down meltdown routine using my hairspray and these horrible scissors. You guys, I could not find, my face looks so bad, I was so irritated. I couldn't find my normal like shears that I use for my wigs. I don't know what I did with it, so I just had to grab these old raggedy scissors. So anyways, after I finished doing all my little hairspray routine and getting this lace nice and melted, I'm just gonna clean it up in just a bit. You'll see with a little cloth, a little bit of alcohol, because I kind of made a mess with my hairspray, and then just gonna add my elastic band to it. All right, you guys, so next I'm gonna go in with my crock flat iron and start to flat iron this hair, getting it nice and straight. I am using my Cantu paddle brush. I talk about this paddle brush all the time because it's so good for flat ironing and blow drying, you guys, especially when it comes to my wigs, because it's like a paddle brush with, you know, like the normal like hard plastic bristles, but it also has boar bristles inside of it as well. So you get a really smooth outcome with using, you know, the crock with this Cantu paddle brush. I think I got mine at Target. I'm sure you can find it at Target, online, Amazon, Walmart, wherever, you know, all the hair stuff is at. But I want to tell you guys, this hair was, in the beginning, I was kind of nervous because it looked really full. Of course, I had washed it. I bleached the knots, of course, you know, all that good stuff, let it air dry. I was a little concerned that it may be too full for my liking, but it flat ironed really well, you guys, and it ended up looking like the density really natural in the end. So you guys will see, of course, in just a second. Also, with this being a kinky texture and, you know, highlights and colors and all that good stuff, I've worked with this type of color before with straighter units, and I always get a good amount of shedding. It really doesn't matter the company, it just always seems to shed. I'm sure it's just from the bleaching process. But you guys, I mean, this hair, I did get some strands, it did shed a bit, but y'all, in this kinky texture, it did not shed, not nearly as much as I've seen it before. I was really impressed with that because it did worry me. So I just want to put that out there. That is a good thing. So this is how we're looking after this side has been nice and straight, and then you see the side that hasn't. So it's straightened really well. Next, I'm going to go in and start to lay my edges. I am going to pluck the hairline just a bit before I do so. I didn't spend that much time plucking, you guys. I just did it a little bit right on the hairline right here. I do want to say about the highlights, I wish, because I've seen this, you know, the style of highlight, I think it's called piano highlights, plenty of times. I really would love if someone came out, or if they came out with a unit that was even more blonde and less of this brownish red type of color with it. and also softer highlights as well. I think that would look even more beautiful. Not saying this wig is not, I'm just giving, just a little bit something for those who love, who lean more towards, the blonde color versus the brown. I would love to see that. I think that would be so pretty to see this kinky texture, just, you know, just with more blonde and more blonde highlights. So look what we're doing today. I've got a little pencil curling iron. If you watched my first Vlogmas, at this point it's really my only Vlogmas, but hopefully when this video comes out, I would have put out more vlogs. It is a process, you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna do what all the girls be doing and curling their little baby hairs. I mentioned in my Vlogmas that I have been wanting to try that. I am so slow sometimes to jump on what the cool kids are doing, you guys. So I went on ahead and got me this little pencil curling iron, and this mug gets hot, you guys. It had good ratings on Amazon. I just didn't even really dig that deep, you guys, with searching for one. I just found one with really great reviews, had tons of them, bought it. I think it was like $25. I don't even know if it was that much. And look how easily this curled, and I see why the girls love to do this. It actually does make laying your edges a lot easier, you know what I mean? It's not like a necessary step to me, but sometimes with this kinky texture, you guys, it could be a little bit of a challenge to get your hairline, to get your edges, to get your baby hair the way you want them to be. So I definitely see why people love it, especially if they're doing more dramatic hairlines, you know, just laying their edges, all different kinds of swoops and curls and stuff. So happy I bought it. Definitely happy I spent my little $25 on this. I am adding a little bit of my design essentials. I really added like a drop, you guys, on each side. I did not go in, you know, with my design essentials like I normally do, because I wanted my edges to be more on the fluffier kind of side. I don't know. I'm working on it. I'm working on, you guys. Definitely didn't want them like super sticking to my head. So yeah, that's all I'm doing here is just laying these bad boys down. Then I'm going to pop on my little black strip, blow dry them in place, and then we'll go ahead and finish up this style. So to finish up, I am just gonna add a few long layers in the front. So I'm really just taking my razor and just lightly just kind of framing my face. Really see how far I'm starting at with the front. I wanted to keep the length with this unit, so I'm just going in as light as possible, just giving it a little bit of dimension right in the front. And then I'm just gonna take my crock flat iron and curl the hair in just a bit and loosen up my baby hairs. And that's really about it for this look, you guys. Kept things very simple. I threw on my little oversized Skims sweatshirt. You guys, this sweatshirt is to die for. The Skims Cozy collection is so good. It's so comfortable. It's super warm too, so you may get a little bit hot. But anyways, you guys, but that is it for this look. Don't forget to check the description box. Everything will be listed down there for you guys. All the details on this unit. Anything else that I have for you will be there as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy holidays. Happy New Year as well. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.